No.
What time do you guys play hockey?
We started at 10.
He
Started
texted me at 11:30.
Yeah, so late night. Like I said, I'm using the presentation to roll out our new name, Harbor House Flooring. It's just, I think it's a better fit for us in the area. We're looking to open a showroom in the Safety Harbor area, so I think it would be a good fit. So yeah, I guess a little bit about me, try to be brief with that. That's my son and my daughter, Maddie and Cameron, and my wife, Nikki. I'm from Buffalo, New York originally. Yeah. A couple of those.
The Bills.
And moved to Tallahassee as a kid, and basically a Floridian. So I went to college on a baseball scholarship, played ball for a little bit, decided it wasn't for me, and started working in construction. That's when I moved to Tampa. Been in the construction industry since I was 21 years old. Started new home building, then renovating, and then kitchen and bathroom design as well. So that kind of got me to where I am now. And from doing all those different things, one thing that really stood out to me at the end of a project, that if you mess this up, it's irreversible. And that's a terrible tile job. Terrible tile, terrible flooring job. It's something that your clients are gonna see every time. Every time they walk in the room, they're gonna think of how much of an asshole you are. If you mess it up. So, and you'll never get a referral from those people. So it's something that I really wanted to focus on, doing a quality job, high-end work, and making sure that everything's done right and that it's a nice process. So our services, we do flooring removal, general demolition. My last presentation I brought in our air scrubber machine, which when we do our demolitions, we bring in, it's attached to a hose that has a 2-stage filter in it, sucks all the dust out of the air as we're doing our demolition. So I don't know if you've ever done any kind of renovating before. The worst part about it is everything's caked in dust. So we do everything that we can to mitigate that. It's not dust free, it's dust mitigated. I mean, there's no way to stop all of it. So we plastic off all the cabinets, turn off the AC, remove all the floors, and try to keep it as clean as possible. We do tile flooring, laminate flooring, vinyl like you see here in front of us. We do wood flooring, stair treads, pretty much anything flooring wise. And we also do tile showers and bathroom tile. So, and we'll put in baseboard at the end, quarter round molding, all that kind of stuff. So our process is myself or one of my team members will come out and do a free in-home consultation, walk you through the process, provide a quote for you. We do product selection, so I have virtually any flooring that you can find. A lot of people just say, I got this Pinterest photo, I want it to look like this. I'll come back out with samples, and like I said, we can pretty much get anything that you'd be looking for, flooring wise. After that, we schedule our delivery and our start date. And another thing that we do, which other companies don't, is we will relocate your furniture for you. If you want to get a pack rat or a pod in the front yard, we will move all that stuff out. A lot of flooring companies avoid that. We want to make it a full inclusive process. You don't have to go elsewhere for that stuff. Like I said, we do our flooring removal, surface prep, depending on which flooring that you use, and then obviously our installation, and then baseboard and trim at the end. So why choose us? Our installers they're legal professionals, they're licensed and insured. So a lot of these companies aren't working with that. That's a one-to-one subject, I would say, in terms of how some of these companies get the numbers that they do in terms of using cheap labor and things of that nature. We are certified Schluter system installers. That is a waterproofing and various other products that you'd use for tile installation. And then we're also certified in large format tile, which is you know, anything up to like a 10-foot sheet of porcelain tile we can install. We're certified to do that. So a lot of people are doing that. It's a popular thing to do on your fireplace, where you want to use one large sheet, no grout lines. That's something that we specialize in. Other than that, natural stone is different from tile. A lot of people don't know how to treat that stuff. It needs to be sealed before you put it in, and then resealed at the end. So we really handle everything with care, and it's something that it makes for a good installation at the end. This is alluding to that Schluter system that I was telling you about. So on the left, that's a waterproofing membrane for a shower. Excuse my photos, you guys don't usually care I'm taking pictures of them all day long, but and then on the right is what's called an uncoupling membrane. We actually use this at Tim's house, and it prevents cracks, moisture coming in from the slab. It's a great product to use under tile, especially on first floor when you have a concrete foundation. So that's something that we're certified in doing that a lot of other installers are not. This is some of our work. It's kind of hard to see up here. So the one up top is actually Chris's bathroom. You snap a picture of that one. Got some vinyl product, some tile. That's a walk-in shower with that large format tile that I was alluding to. That's some of our work, and yeah, I would love to.
One stone?
What's the one up top?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's a marble. It's a marble mosaic floor.
So is Chris's underwear in the back of the picture?
So I mean, I would love to
yours.
answer any questions that you guys have about anything. If I, you know, kind of glossed over some stuff.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Do you guys do carpet?
I was gonna say the same thing.
We actually don't do carpet. It's like its own separate niche.
Okay.
Once we open the showroom space, I think that's something that we try to dabble a little more in. But right now, it just doesn't make sense logistically for us. They come in, you know, 20-foot rolls, so it's just not something that we're really doing right now.
I don't remove it. So if someone has a carpet and wants to do tile, you will remove it, or another company has to come over to that, and then you do the installation.
We would do the removal.
Okay.
We would do the removal and do the installation on it. So I mean, real quick, referral partners for us. So real estate agents, interior designers. I already talked about it. New homeowners, obviously, like we try to cater to all that stuff. And then somebody's got a leak in their house, they need to rip out the floor. Another great one for us.
Awesome.
All right.
Thank
Great
you.
job.
Thank you so much.